Zwagala Mzansi and celebrate heritage at the Testic Heritage Festival with Thandiswa Mazwai and many more of our legendary artists. 5th of November at the Imperial Wanderers Stadium. Tickets at Ticket Pro from 250 Rand. Gates open at 12 p.m. All proceeds will go towards the Testic Education Fund. Testic, perfect every time.
It is iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Orlando Pirates are into the final of the MTN 8. Well done, congratulations. All of us were wrong. My prediction, his prediction, Vilaka's prediction, we all thought Sundowns were going to win, but Orlando Pirates won this game. Not on the field of play in terms of playing, but they had a very functional plan and it worked for them. Congratulations, Orlando Pirates. They are on to the MTN 8 final. Junior Khanye, our analyst, your thoughts on the game, sir?
Yeah, yes,
sir.
Bulise justice.
Easy.
Bulise lengwenye to the little Napoli.
Mr. So.
After we keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one, try to fix South African football. Yeah, well done to Orlando Pirates. We need to be honest, we give credit to his due. This is a not easy game to be played. It was not easy to be played, this game. They beaten champions. We need to be honest, they beat them convincing. Okay, Mangiti convincing they play. They didn't play smart football, but the strategy, 7-0 strategy, Sabo. But the Sundowns, they are themselves to be playing. Sundowns, they came to this game already winning the game. Starting on my coach, why putting Umvala ahead of engine? In an engine that ends a pipe wonge, a petrol pump, a petrol filter, yonke into whereby ends with the function yonke into in the car. Elite spark nimbegelani ngaphandle umuntu njengaloya Andile Jali. I don't understand what coaches they were trying to do. They were selling the boy Umvala, I don't know. Playing Umvala in the middle against Orlando Pirates is where they lost the game. Because according to me, Bazalanga Trade Peg, it was Teruk. Kekana. Also, I can say you Umda. Yes, wing back per se, but Langitumvala was coming, adding by 3. Uteruk, no Kekana, Umvala come and add by 3. They were playing like that. Mapapeti Polangen in the middle, Bazalanga wing back. I don't think by Yenzegache, whatever they're trying to do, and the build-up was too slow. Sundowns, the way they were playing today, is too slow. Pirates was playing with speed, coming to them. Every time Pirates got the ball, no matter Bangal Bambi more than them. But Mabambi Paul, Saleng, came it, you looked like something could come. Because they attack with speed, they were very dynamic, explosive. Going behind the defense on the Pirates. Good individual brilliance from Ihari Kalumfa, now Saleng. Also came it Erasmus, Ule Haitaguyo. Very top striker. Lomfana, he did very well to use the speed circuit to eliminate, not even stopping. If umdiba lapha umwisile boxing begui penalty because ube arrogant begusuka up na le bola. So credit to the boy, him and Kemit. So ngiyabaniwa boyithu. In the middle team Ndlondlo not playing like they were not, they didn't come to the party today. But in terms of his shape, Orlando Pirates, it was spot on. Because the Pirates, everybody was coming behind the ball. They leave Saleng there, overloaded the side, Monyane. Like ngekeme arrows, Monyane, Saleng, Zotalisanina. If Saleng ungene phakathi, Monyane, you have to go. So Saleng will cut in, you go direct, or you play Ulo, or you step over Wangapandle, you cross it with the right because he can play a both feet, strong foot to right. So the side laga left Auto dead. Auto bega 80 number on the Pirate namhlali la side lake because of him dead. We understand. So we need to be honest. Pirates, they deserve to win the game. I didn't see. I need to be honest myself. Meaning straightforward. I'm honest. I didn't see Pirates winning this game. I didn't see Pirates coming in this game and winning it. But the way they applied themselves, credit to them. In terms of game management, they didn't play pretty, but they had a plan. We're going to come back, everybody. Because we build up a slow, we catch them on counter-attacks. It works. Counter-attacks, Saleng no came it works. Now, the ball Inamba is Sundowns, the Lico number 2. Good composer from Mfana, good first touch, good finish from the Ekonin. Why they didn't press him? Because of Inamba Bangasana with Sundowns. And I'm very, very shocked, Mina, as Nishongiti, the way they started the Sundowns, it's very, very shocking. Nepodi language yabo. They didn't deserve to win the game. Yes, I don't mind Mina Kulegon my short pass, but they were static today. Playing Pauline Yaun Kabum Alende, Serino. You understand, being a target man, it was not the issue. Omunimuntu could debate as long as Maba Makaba 1v1. But now Maba Makaba like shape. If Pirates have a ball and then Lepola Mabadala behind the defense, I will keep Mela Pume. But survive Vilegachu. Mabadali Pola between Kekano Facipali, not the Ruko Facipali. Ba collapse a collision between the goalkeeper and them. Behind them. So it was a problem with Sugala Pambi with Bangamak. Also going forward, these three they couldn't combine Mshishi, Serino, no Alende up front. They couldn't combine Kulisi in the middle, Mukwena, Mvala. Nowhere to be seen. Amawing Pekwabo, nowhere to be seen. Yes, Mdiba, he tried the boy, but we need to be honest, Namtlanju off. A yonke decision for me, it was wrong. So credit to Orlando Pirates. Well done to Orlando Pirates. They deserve to win the final. The way they played, I started in the first game. I didn't see them playing the way they play first half, first round. First leg, they play pretty. A pound to pound, they match Sundowns. But in this game, being coming with Sundowns will overpower. But they playing Abispanile. Credit to the coaches, credit to the players. Yeah, they deserve to win the final.
Okay. Interesting one, of course, because we know now that all of the Pirates are in the final. We'll be here back tomorrow again with Amazulu and Chiefs. Having seen what we saw today, what final would you like to see joining Pirates in the final? Having seen what we've seen today, I think the pretty final with glitz and glam will be the Soweto derby, but we don't know. Tomorrow still has to happen.
Yeah, ish. Inzima njenganamhlanje akwazi ukuthi sengiwinile ingakaphili yabo or ningakadlali yabo asithi ingakadlali besuthi hayi mina ngiphethe something yabo so awuthi badlali kusasa it can be good. Chiefs and Pirates a very good final. Igcine nini iPirates ukudlala final igcine nini neKaizer Chiefs igcine nini idlala final
2015 or 2016.
It's been a while. So these people, they dominated South African football for the past 12 years. But it can be good if Chiefs and Pirates can go to the final. Though Chiefs have have to go and play tomorrow against Sutilma Peshanko. So far, Mazulu on a 1-goal advantage. Whereby 1 goal away. Goal advantage, goal away. So Chiefs have to score. If they don't score, they lose. So it's going to be very difficult. So, ngati ipinde futhi surprise party bekhona kube ne finally different. Yabo asas ngoba these two between of Chiefs naMaZulu, somebody must win in order to face Orlando Pirates. So many Pirates yayinika Nkuleko. Mina I call a spade Pirates. I didn't see them beating Sundowns, but Sundowns there's a lot of blunders that continue to be fixed. Lot of favors that they're doing, and it cost them. They are themselves to be blamed. Yeah.
Okay. There you go. That's Orlando Pirates. Well done. Congratulations, guys. And also, congratulations to the Orlando Pirates fans. It's very difficult, of course, to follow a big club and you don't win a lot. The last time they won a trophy was in 2020 under Joseph Zinnbauer. They were beating Celtic in the final of the MTN 8. So this is going to be, again, an opportunity for them to get silverware. It's one trophy in the last 7 or 8 years for Pirates. So that's an opportunity to add a second trophy in the last 7 or 8 years. So a big club deserves big things from time to time. So we hope that it's going to be a very good final. We don't know who's going to join them. But congratulations to Orlando Pirates and its fans as well. It's your day. It's a Saturday. Enjoy it. Thank you to everyone who went to the stadium and followed their teams. Well done to the Buccaneers. Up the Bucks, iDiskiTV, iDiski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.